Replacing a modern start-stop battery is more complex than simply replacing a conventional starter battery. Besides the necessary expertise, a diagnostic device is also required. Vssp 2.0 from Johnson Controls is the easy-to-use all-in-one solution. The device is supplied with all the necessary cables, a charger and batteries. A connection with the workshop's Wi-Fi network need only be established once. To begin the battery test, you register as a user with your name and password. For the purposes of vehicle identification and the subsequent diagnosis of the start-stop system, Vssp 2.0 is connected to the vehicle by the central EOBD interface. You can select start-stop diagnosis from a list of options. First, the individual vehicle data has to be retrieved using one of three options. Automatic selection. Thanks to the continually updated Vssp 2.0 software, the device can automatically detect the exact type of vehicle through the EOBD connection by using the VIN. Manual entry. Alternatively, a vehicle can be identified manually by using pull-down menus. Thirdly, the VIN can simply be typed into Vssp 2.0. The start-stop control modules are now diagnosed and all start-stop system error codes selected. In order to carry out a battery test, a current clamp is connected to both Vssp 2.0 and the connection point on the vehicle indicated by the diagnostic device. The test is begun inside the vehicle and the engine is started and switched off in line with Vssp 2.0 requirements. At the end, a report is compiled with all the information and error codes as regards the battery status, the starter motor and the alternator. According to the battery's condition, the workshop may recommend a replacement. The original manufacturer data will be used to recommend just the right replacement battery for the vehicle in question. The test results can be transferred to the computer and printed out. The workshop then has a clear basis for showing the customer the necessary replacement battery. Thanks to the precise results provided by the device, the workshop can also use it to quote a price for the replacement battery. If a replacement is desired, the next step is to delete all error codes. The vehicle will need to be restarted. A notification then confirms that all error codes have been deleted. The back of the Vssp 2.0 features a special camera which scans the 2D code found on the battery and transfers the data to the diagnostic device. Alternatively, the VARTA code can be typed in. It will be verified that the battery is a perfect match for the vehicle in question. The start-stop battery is installed in different positions according to the vehicle type. Locating the battery is therefore a handy feature of the Vssp 2.0. The device guides the mechanic step by step to the battery's position. It demonstrates precisely how to remove the old battery and fit and connect a new one. Vssp 2.0 can access the manufacturer's latest vehicle data thanks to current databases and the automatic update feature. At the end, the diagnostic device confirms the replacement. The new battery now has to be detected by the vehicle electronics, where the new battery parameters are transferred. One more check of the system completes the replacement. The battery is then tested. The current clamp is connected to the vehicle as per the instructions, and the vehicle is started and switched off according to the guidelines. At the end of the test, a detailed final report is drawn up and can be transferred to the computer and printed out. Besides the results from the first report, this new report also contains the measurements taken following installation of the new start-stop battery, as well as confirmation that the start-stop system is functioning properly. Finally, the individual number of the installed start-stop battery is listed and can be written into the roadside assistance leaflet by workshop staff. That's because every end consumer who replaces their vehicle's existing battery with a VARTA start-stop battery and registers on the website receives 2-year breakdown assistance free of charge should their vehicle break down due to a faulty battery. Independent workshops can use Vssp 2.0 to check start-stop systems quickly and easily, and even to test conventional starter batteries. The current clamp and battery terminals are connected to the diagnostic device and the test gets underway. Depending on the result, the engine may have to be started and then switched off. A detailed report is drawn up at the end. The diagnostic device can even test a battery that hasn't been installed in a vehicle. Vssp 2.0 is then connected to the battery terminals. The capacity and ampere hours of the battery in question, as well as its technology, are manually entered into the device. This method of testing is particularly effective for stored batteries. Vssp 2.0 is the all-in-one solution for independent workshops, not only for testing the starter batteries of today, but also for checking and replacing the start-stop batteries of tomorrow. Get ready for the future today with innovative servicing and start-stop batteries from Vata.